Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Today we are treating some Twi words that are usually found in Twi books but not found in Twi dictionaries. And I must acknowledge that 90% of these words or phrases were brought to me by a sister who is learning Twi. I've just added some few words to it. So without wasting my time, let's set the ball rolling. The first word is Echitafo are ataso. Echitafo are ataso. Well, let's first of all take Echitafo. What does that mean? Echitafo consists of two words, and that is echi, that is back or behind, and then tafo, that is people that are behind you or people that are what? Supporting you. So in effect, Echitafo means what? Supporters or people that are supporting you. Echitafo. And then ariataso. When we say ariataso, it means to determine to do something. To determine to do something. For example, I can say the supporters were determined to support the team till the end. In Twi, I will say na echitafo no ariata so se wobeta boboku na chi kosi awieye. Na echitafo na ariata so se wobeta boboku na chi kosi awieye. The supporters were determined to support the team till the end. So when we say ariata so, it means what? To determine to do something. And then echitafo means what? Supporters. Let's tackle the second vocabulary or the second phrase. In this phrase we have obodan and then dododo kobo wonhu edwa. You see here I have written edwa and then egwa. The Asantis pronounce edwa and then the Kwiapim say egwa. So just take note of that. Okay. When we say Obodan simply means what? A cave. A cave, as you can see on the screen over here. A cave. Obodan. And then, kobo wonhu edwa. Let's first of all treat edwa. Edwa or egwa. Edwa is a form of trap that the farmers usually set. And it consists of what? A fence around a farm. As you can see in the diagram over there. A fence around a farm within which traps are set. So the whole thing is known as what? Edwa. And the farm, the maize that you can see, we can see that they have made a fence around it. A fence with traps around it. In Twi we can say Yabohon edwa. That means we have made that fence together with traps around that farm. Yabohon edwa. Or some people will also say egwa. Okay. Yabohon edwa. So we have made a fence which contains traps around it. Yabohon edwa. So to simply put, when someone says Yabohon edwa, it means that thing is being what? Protected. Protected. So if I say I'm going to seek refuge, in Twi I can say me kobo me ho edwa. Me kobo me ho edwa. That means what? I'm going to seek refuge. In the sense that when you are in a place of refuge, there is sort of what? A wall around you. Or a sort of what? Protection around you where nobody can come to where you are. And even when someone wants to come, the person might suffer some consequences, like the trap in the fence might catch that person. Okay? So when someone seeks refuge, we say wakobo ne ho edwa, wakobo ne ho edwa. What about Obodan? Obodan, as I said, Obodan is what? A cave. A cave. So when we say ko obodan bi mu ko bo ne ho adwa, that means he went into a cave to seek what? Refuge. For example, I can say, actually, I'm talking about David. Let's talk about David in the Bible. We can give an example and say, actually, David in the man nya obodan bi ko bo won ho adwa. What does that mean? It means later he and his men found refuge in a cave. Let's go to number 3. Here we have kiane king and then di intro. Kiane king and then di intro. When we say kiane king, it's an expression of what? Certainty. Being 100% sure of something. Kiane king. An expression of what? Certainty. Or a state of being 100% sure of something. What about dincho? Dincho simply means to lose. Unable to what? Ascertain victory. But what? Lose. Dincho. Dincho. For instance, I can say, the way they were playing, I knew for sure, or I knew for certain, that they will lose. In Twi, I will say, Sedie or Senie. Sedie is asante, and Senie is equiapem. Sedie na wo di agro no, na minim se, kiane ke, wo be dincho. Senie na wo di agro no, na minim se, kiane ke, wo be dincho. The way they were playing, I knew for sure. I knew for certain. I was certain that they will lose. Said ye na wo di agro no, na minim se kiane ke obedincho. So obedincho means what? They will lose. And said ye na wo di agro no, the way that they were playing, na wo di agro no, how they were playing, I knew for sure. Na minim say kiane ke obedincho. Kiane ke obedincho. Great. Third phrase. A dance boa. A dance boa. Literally, a dance boa could mean if even it turns into a stone, or if even it turns like a rock. A dance boa. But the meaning is that come what may, or no matter what. Come what may, or no matter what. So for instance, someone can say, a dance boa yehu abeje. A dance boa yehu abeje. What does that mean? Come what may, or no matter what, Jehovah will save us. A dance boa, come what may, yehu abeje, Jehovah will save us. The be means what? Will. Je, save. Yen, us. So, a dance boa, come what may, no matter what, yehu abeje will save us or rescue us. The last one, as far as this lesson is concerned, is Jina niehoye tro. Jina niehoye tro. This is a phrase that is normally used to refer to being on a slippery ground. Be on a slippery ground. Jina niehoye tro. So for instance, if I say they are on slippery grounds, then in Twi I will say wojina die or nia ehoye tro. Die is asante and then nia is what? Equiapem. Wojina die hoye tro or wojina nie hoye tro. They are on slippery ground. They are on slippery ground. Besides that, if someone is doing something that you think is too risky, we can also use this same term and say, my friend, you are on a slippery ground. In Twi, we will say, Madamfo, wujina baby hoye tro. Be careful. Where you are going or the way you are doing your things is risky. So when I say, Madamfo, baby wujina ne hotro, it means whatever you are doing is what? Risky. Ujina de hoye tro. Ujina de hoye tro. So in summary, we are saying that when we say echitafo, it means supporters. And when we say ariataso, it means determined to do something. Obodan is a cave. Kobo wonhuaja means what? When to seek refuge. When to seek refuge. And then kiane means what? An expression of certainty or being 100% sure of something occurring. And then dincho simply means what? To lose. And then edanseboa means what? Come what may, or no matter what. And finally, when we say jinaniahoyetro, it means to be on a slippery ground. If you did enjoy this lesson, you can subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Share, like it, so that I also will be motivated to bring you more of such videos. Thanks for listening.